Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this video, I will guide you on how to redeem promo codes in Webtoon. So if you also want to redeem promo codes in Webtoon, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I have opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in webtoon.com, press enter. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the official website of Webtoon. Make sure you're logged into your account. Here at the top right corner, you'll be able to see your profile icon and your profile name. If you hover over it, you'll be able to see several options over here. You can see the option for subscribed, comments, creators and account. All you have to do is click on the last option, that is account. Now you'll be led to the account interface. Scroll down. Here at last, you'll be able to see the option for redeem free coins. You'll have to enter your promo code over here. Here you'll be able to see the option for redeem your free coins. All you have to do is click on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Scroll down. You'll have to enter your promo code over here. The promotion will be applied to the account you're currently logged into. You'll have to select a device type over here. Coins are not interchangeable between Android and iOS. Promotion codes cannot be reused once applied. You can see two options over here, iOS and Android. Click on the option of your choice. Now enter your promo code over here. Click right over here. Now enter your promo code. After you enter the promo code, what you have to do is click on the apply option that you can see right over here. After you click on it, you'll be able to redeem your promo code. So that is how you redeem promo codes in Webtoon. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.